Hello, my name is Audrey, and this is my egg boiler Arduino worksheet problem.
If I push the button, it counts for 10 seconds, and then for the last 0.5 seconds, it's going to turn red and beep. And then if I start the timer and I'm like, I don't want to boil that egg anymore, I just press it again, and it stops. Sorry, I need to push that in better. This code is very lengthy, I'm not going to lie, and I start off with defining all my pins, and then I have lots and lots of time logic because using a delay would not allow you to push and stop the timing midway through counting. And this is button logic. In my void loop, this is where most of the things happen besides my start time equaling millis. I first figure out the duration of time that's happened between millis and my start time. Started is my counting idea. So if started is not happened, then I just want everything to be green and the buzzer to be off. If the button has been pushed, I'm going to digitally read that button again. I have if the current state equals 0, in other words, if it's been pressed, then I want the time to start counting. But if counting has not happened, then I want the buzzer to be off and it to be green. So if it started counting, I figure out the duration, and I'm going to have a countdown. So during this countdown, the color will stay yellow as long as it's not in the last 0.5 seconds where it's going to turn red and then beep to notify the user. So if the buzzer state is 0, then the buzzer is not happening. So that means I want to turn it to high. And that makes sure that the buzzer goes off. Once that buzzer equals 1, then I will turn it on for 0.2 seconds. Instead of typing in each color for my RGB each time, I just made a function. I stole it from an old code of mine. But I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.